Start பண்ணலாம். Pollination. It is one of the important events to form a fruit and seed. So the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma is known as pollination. It is broadly classified into two types. The first one is known as self-pollination. It is otherwise known as autogamy. The second one is known as cross-pollination. It is otherwise known as allogamy. The self-pollination is classified into three types. The first one is known as cleistogamy, second one is known as homogamy, third one is known as incomplete dichogamy. Cross-pollination is classified into mainly two types, ketonogamy, monoecious, and xenogamy. Okay, let's now discuss about the self-pollination, autogamy. The transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of the same flower is called self-pollination. It is otherwise known as autogamy. It is classified into three types. First one, cleistogamy. In Greek, cleisto means closed and gamos meaning in marriage. So flower not open and not expose reproductive organ. So pollination is carried within the closed flower. Example, Camelina and Viola oxalis. Camelina bengalensis, two type of flowers is present. One type of flower is present in aerial. The aerial flower is bright and pollinated by insect, and the second type of flower is present in underground. The flower is dull in color. It is pollinated by self-pollination. And the second type, homogamy. Stamen and stigma mature same time. Example, Mirabilis jalaba, Catharanthus roseus. Third one, incomplete dichogamy. The stamen and stigma mature different time. And second type of pollination is known as cross pollination. It is otherwise known as allogamy. The transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of another flower is called cross pollination. It is otherwise known as allogamy. It is classified into two types, ketonogamy. Pollen deposit on another flower of the same individual plant is said to be ketonogamy. Monoecious. Second type, xenogamy. Pollen deposit on another flower of different plant of a same species is called xenogamy. Contrivances of cross pollination are outbreed devices. It is classified into two types, dicliny or unisexuality. Second type, monocliny or bisexuality. Dicliny or unisexuality, flowers are unisexual, so cross pollination only possible. First one, monoecious. Male and female flower present in same plant. Example, coconut, bittergourd and castor. Second one, dioecious. Male and female flower present in different plant. Example, Borassus blabellifer, carica, papaya and date palm. And second type, monocliny or bisexuality. Flowers are bisexual to prevent self-pollination. First type is known as dichogamy. Anthers and stigma mature at different times. A. Protandry. Stamen mature earlier than the stigma. Example, Helianthus and Clerodendron. B. Protogyny. Stigma mature earlier than the stamen. Example, Aristolochia and Bracteata. 2. Ergogamy. Bisexual flowers, stamen and stigma arranged different way, so self-pollination is impossible. Example, Gloriosa superba and hibiscus. Next one, heterostyly. Some plants produce two or three different forms of a flower that are different in the length of stamen and style. Pollination take place only in the same length of organ. A. Distyly. Plant produce two form of flowers, long style, long stigmatic papillae, short stamen, small pollen grain. And second type, short style, small stigmatic papillae, long stamen, large pollen grain. Example, Primula B type, tri-styly. The plant produce 3 kind of flowers, different length of stamen and style. Example, Lathyrus. One type of flower pollinate only, other two types. Self-sterility. Some plant pollen fall on the stigma of the same flower, unable to germinate on own stigma. Example, Abutilon passiflora. This is the contrivance of cross pollination. A type of diagram is known as protandry, clerodendron. B type of diagram is known as protogyny, scleropularia. And another one, A type distyly and B type tristyly. So this is a contrivance of cross pollination flow chart. Next one, agents of pollination. The pollination is carried by some of the agent is called agents of pollination. The agent are classified into mainly two type. Abiotic agent. Second type is known as biotic agent. Abiotic agent, it is otherwise known as non-living factor. Biotic agent, it is otherwise known as living factor. Abiotic agent is classified into mainly two type. First one is known as anemophily. Wind. The wind pollinated flowers is known as anemophily. Example, zeamys. What is anemophily? Pollination by wind is called anemophily. The wind pollinated flower is called anemophilous flowers. The plant mostly found in the wind exposed region. Pollen are wasted to transit from one flower to another flower. Some common example, grasses and sugarcane and bamboo and coconut and palm and maize, etc. etc. The characteristic features of anemophilous flowers. Flowers are pendulous and catkin-like or spike inflorescence. Flowers are small, inconspicuous and colorless and not scented, do not secrete nectar. Nectar is nothing but honey. And stamens are numerous, filamentous or long, exserted and versatile, and they produce enormous quantities of pollen grain compared to number of ovules. Pollen are dry and light, so can be carried to long distance by wind. Some of the plants anther burn violently, release the pollen into the air. Urtica. Stigma are large and branched and feathery, adapted to catch the pollen grain. Single ovule present. Plant produce flowers before the new leaf appear. So this is the characteristic features of the anemophilous flowers. Next, second one is known as hydrophily. Pollination by water is called hydrophily. The water pollinated flower is called hydrophilous flowers. Example, Vallisneria and Hydrilla. Water plant like Eichhornia and water lily, pollination take place through wind and insect. Two type of hydrophily. First type is known as epihydrophily. Second type is known as hypohydrophily. Epihydrophily. Pollination occur at the above water level. Example, Vallisneria spiralis. Pollination in Vallisneria spiralis. The flowers are dioecious and submerged and rooted hydrophyte. Female plant bear solitary flower, rises to the surface of the water level using long coiled stalk at the time of pollination. Small depression is formed around the female flower. Male plant producing male flower get detached, come closer to the female flower. ஸோ இதன் மூலமாக இப்போ வாலிஸ்னெரியா அப்படிங்கக்கூடிய பிளான்ட்டு தன்னுடைய பாலினேஷனை வந்து என்ன பண்ணிக்குது அப்படின்னா கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிக்குது. திஸ் டைம் ஆகிருக்கு.